Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this simple and delicious beef chili. For this chili, I use onions, garlic, pepper, salt, ground pepper, paprika powder, tomato paste, kidney beans, cumin, coriander, oregano, beef, cilantro, canned chopped tomatoes, and olive oil. Start with cutting and mincing the onions, garlic, pepper, and cilantro. Cook the onions until they start to brown. Add the garlic and cook it along for 1.5 to 2 minutes. Add the pepper and cook it along for about a minute. Add the tomato paste. Mix it with the rest and cook until the tomato paste thickens up a bit. I cooked mine for about 4 minutes. Add the beef and seasoning. And cook until the beef is fully cooked and it looks like this. Add the canned and chopped tomatoes. And I allowed it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes before I added the pre-cooked canned beans. So as you can see, I like my chilies a bit on the thicker side. If you like your chili a bit less thick, simply add some water or more of the canned chopped tomatoes. And if you enjoyed this video, you might actually also like this chili cheese fry recipe video, or you might like this other video. And as always, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.